How do we convert fractions to percent? If the denominators are 100, then the numerator will be the percent. So that is 5%, 19%, 63%, 94%, 127%, and 314%. Remember, percent, when converted to fraction, will always have the denominator of 100. What if the denominators are not 100? Then, let's make the denominator as 100. Like for 5, we need to multiply it by 20 to make it 100. When we multiply the denominator, we must also multiply the numerator by the same number. So 2 times 20, that is 40 over 100. So the answer is 40%. So 20. How to become 100? We multiply by 5, both numerators and denominators. So 20 times 5, that is 100, then 17 times 5 is 85. So the answer is 85%. 15 over 25. So 25 will become 100 if we multiply by 4. We multiply also 15 by 4. So 25 times 4, that is 100. And then 15 times 4, that is 60. So the answer is 60%. 43 over 50. 50, we multiply by 2 to make it 100. Same as the numerator. So this is 100. 43 times 2, that is 86. So the answer is 86%. What if the denominators are bigger than 100? So we need to divide. 200, we need to divide by 2, both denominator and numerator. So 128 divided by 2, that is 64 over 100. So the answer is 64%. 246 over 300, we need to divide by 3. This is 100. 246 divided by 3, that is 82. So the answer is 82%. 144 over 400, so divide by 4. So the denominator is 100. 144 divided by 4, that is 36. So the answer is 36%. 380 over 500. So divide by 5, both denominator and numerator. So 380 divided by 5, that is 76 over 500 divided by 5, 100. So the answer is 76%. And then 546 over 600 divided by 6. So 546 divided by 6, that is 91 over 600 divided by 6, that's 100. So 91%. So still 91%. And then for the last number, 180 divided by 900, so divide by 9, both numerator and denominator. So 180 divided by 9, that is 20 over 100. So the answer is 20%. What if we cannot convert the denominator as 100? The first thing we need to do is to convert it into decimal. So 1 divided by 7, that is 0.1428. So I just get 2 or 4 decimal places. And then to convert decimal to percent, we move 2 decimal places to the right. So the answer is 14.28%. 2/3. So 2 divided by 3, that is 0.6666, and so on. We only get 4 digits. Move 2 decimal places to the right. So the answer is 66.66%. And then 5 divided by 6, that is 0.8333, and so on. And then move 2 decimal places to the right. So the answer is 83.33%.